welcome back guys and girls. We're out again. Literally been home 2 days I think from the social up at Bluebell, and I've got itchy feet, so I'm back out again. I'm going to do 48 hours on a day ticket venue. This one's in St Albans. The venue in question is Albans Lakes. Now I don't know how old a lot of the viewers are. It used to be called Willows, Bowman's. So yeah, it's now called Willows. No, sorry, Albans Lakes. So yeah, this used to be a regular place of mine. Used to be on my doorstep. Sorry guys, literally I've only just got here. I've just whacked out 3 rods. I've just had a massive liner on my left hand rod already. So I'm hopeful for a few bites on here. Oh, and the middle one's on the off ski. So anyway, while I'm setting up, I'm going to put the camera down at the rods. Bit of luck, might get a live take. So anyway, I'll catch up with you a bit when I've got fully set up. So there we go guys, I'm just going to leave you there for a bit just while I get set up. If any of them rods go, give us a shout, wouldn't you? Well, finally got set up, everything's up. It's coming up for about 4:30 now. So I just want to touch on the venue a little bit. Like I said, it's Albans Lakes. I'm currently on the farm lake. Then you've got another lake which is a pleasure lake, and then you've got the match lake. So yeah, I'm on the farm lake. It's a day ticket, 24 hours, 30 quid. So I'm doing 48 hours. So yeah, this place is kind of quite close to my heart. There's a river that runs all the way around this venue. Basically, that's where I learned how to fish. It's where my dad used to take me as a little kid. Just behind them trees, I don't know if you can see, it gets thicker in the background. That's a little spinney. My nan's ashes are spread in there. So this area does mean quite a lot to me. It's got a lot of history behind it for me. So Nan, if you're about, give us a fish or two please. So yeah, there's not massive fish in here. A majority of them are 20s, quite a few 30s, but I don't think there's anything bigger than that. There's plenty of cats in here, but I don't think we're going to be visited by any cats this time of year. So yeah, all rods are out. Oh, another line on the left hand one. Getting lots of liners, lots. Hopefully that'll materialise into a take soon. Be nice. So yeah, going into the first evening. I got down there a bit late to be honest, but I was sat at home and the wife saw me moping about. She said, "Why don't you bugger off fishing?" Well, you ain't got to tell me twice. See you, babe. So yeah, here I am. Right, I'm going to drink my coffee and wait for one of these rods to scream off. Good morning. nothing materialised after getting all them liners. Once it started getting dark, all the liners had stopped. So I don't know if the fish were here, then they moved out of the area. But this morning the wind's changed direction. It was a northerly yesterday, it's now an easterly today. So I've redone all the rods. Still not seen any signs. Bailiff come round this morning, he was here for about half an hour having a chat. He said not an awful lot's been coming out of here. So, losing hope at the moment. Losing hope. So yeah, I've still got today, tonight and tomorrow. So we just have to see what happens. Gonna keep my eyes peeled all day. See if I can see anything that I can act on. They were here yesterday, I'm sure they were. So I'm just hoping they come back. Well guys, sorry about the lack of updates. It's been soul destroying, to be honest with you. 48 hours, not had nothing. I basically wrote the video off. Just about to start packing up. And the middle rod tore away. I've got one. It's probably a good upper 20, maybe scrape a 30, common. So yeah, I've unhooked it, I've got it in the sling. Got it in the sling down there and got the rod straight back out on the spot, because these cold winter feeding spells are far and few between. So hopefully between now and getting packed up as a bailiff, might be able to bag another one, so we'll see. So yeah, join me a minute when I've got it on the mat and we'll give it away. Yes. Bloody hell yes. So I've just weighed it. It's exactly 25 pound. It was taken on a strawberry white from Mad Baits over a small bed of pea fish and the old golden nuggets. The mouth on it is absolutely huge. Feels like a block of ice, but it's my first fish of the year. And the hook I was using was one that I'm testing for diamond. That was a size 4 captor hook, put on the old faithful Ronnie rig. And the sling is absolutely full of pea fish, so it's proper been munching on that. Didn't put up much of a fight, to be honest. I reeled it in a bit like a bream, but under the rod tip it put up a good fight. All 25 pound of her, or him. So yeah, we're off the mark. Let's quickly spin it around and I'll show you the other side. Tell you, this is absolutely pristine. Hasn't got a mark on the mouth, mark on the body or anything. It is absolutely pristine. It's nice to go home with wet nets and wet slings. There we go. Right, let's get it back. So it is a no wading policy whatsoever here. So we're not allowed to get in the water with it for any water shots, which is disappointing. Right, we're just going to release it out of the sling. £25 immaculate common from Albans lakes. Just need that rod to go again now, middle rod. We're in again. Another one. It's only been out 20 minutes from the last take. Same rod. Got myself in the right angle there. And again, all the fight's under the rod tip. Another common, looks like a bit of a cricket back common. Probably going to break double figures. Not sure if I'm in shot. We've got another one in the net. Well, here's a second one of that quick little flurry. Bit of a cricket bat. But in these winter months, a fish is a fish. Quite a few of these in here actually, to be honest, these old cricket bats. I'm still getting liners as we talk, so I've got to be quick. A bit lively, it's been sat in the net for 15 minutes or so. Absolutely like a block of ice. Here we go. A cricket bat common. Oh. There you go. Quickly show you the other side. Tell you what, they haven't got any leeches on them, these last two I've had. So, let's go and get it back. Well guys, that's me all packed up. So, 48 hours, I nearly wrote it off. All of a sudden, out of the blue, 2 fish. Just goes to show, don't ever give up. I didn't give up on the fishing, but I did give up on the video. Didn't want to do another blank video, so I had to try and save that. So yeah, with that saved, 2 fish for you. As you can see, the barrel's all packed. So yeah, I left myself a little cooling card as well. Thought, why not? Mad. So anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, please comment, and if you could, please subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. So guys, I'll see you on my next adventure. Take care for now.